Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to change your profile name on Mega account. So first we're going to go to the Mega app. You guys can find it in the App Store or Play Store. Then click on the menu on the lower right corner. Then once you're here, going to click on your name, which is on top of the list. Then here, going to click on change name. So you can insert the name you want. So this name will be displayed on your profile. So make sure it's relevant. So that's how you basically do it. Then you can go back to doing your stuff. We also have different videos in our how to tutorial playlists. Make sure to check them out. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.